YouTube, and this is my first Eddie Stobart Oxford Models truck. This is Ellie Louise. Number plate is PN12 VGA with the Stobart Super League freezer trailer. My next one, which is my most recent one, is my Lilly Eddie Stobart Rail Lilly Jean. Number plate is PX59 BNB. The rear view of the Stobart Super League trailer. The rear view of the, and this is the excavator. Stobart rail. W122. Yeah, W122 Stobart rail. Front view of the digger. And then we've got a bit of damage done. And goodbye. Hope you enjoyed this short montage of my two Eddie Stobart videos. See you in the next video. Goodbye.